Meaning of information.
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 Information. Information refers to knowledge or data that is communicated or received. It can take many forms, such as text, graphics, sound, or video. Information can be used to educate, inform, persuade, or entertain. It can also be used to make decisions and solve problems. In today's digital age, information is abundant and easily accessible through the internet and other technology. However, it is important to evaluate the credibility and reliability of information sources to ensure accurate and trustworthy information is obtained and utilized.